Hi, I created the best solution for describing the videos, for creating the titles, description and keywords in full automatic mode. You just click on this extension, analyze video, and after you click it, the video sent to the best neural network. It will analyze frame by frame this video and then send you the title and the description and the keywords for this video, and you simply just click save and send it to all stock sites. So if you're interested in it, just fill these documents, leave your name, email, how many videos you need to describe each month, and send it to me. When it will be available, I will send you a link for testing. Thanks for watching, bye.